day everyone, especially to my future employer, ma'am and sir, good day. This is Marivic de Tomas, 35 years old, widow. I have 10 years old son, and he is with my parents since I was working abroad. My work experience is 2019-2020. I was working in Saudi Arabia as a all-around household worker. I clean the house, I wash the clothes, I iron the clothes. I didn't cook because they have their own chef. And 1 year, I didn't finish my 2 years contract because it was pandemic time as I mentioned. They decided us to bring back to the Philippines because of the COVID crisis. And the time the COVID was very huge, and that's why everyone is so affected. Then after that, I stay to the Philippines for just 6 months, and even pandemic time there was a online application, so I tried to apply again in Qatar. So I was luckily selected. I was hired on 2020 of May until 2023 of July. So I was working in Qatar for 2 years and 3 months. So it was my second experience working abroad. I was handling the newborn baby. Anyway, when I came to Qatar, my madam is pregnant. So after she gave birth, I was the one who handled the newborn until I finished my contract. So it means I am the one who handled the baby. I sleep with the baby, I feed the baby, burping, feeding, learning her to when she was 1 year old. I teach him how to like nursery lesson, counting, specify the color, shapes, like that. So everything is for me regarding with the baby. So sometimes also if I have time, when the baby is resting, when the baby is with my employer, I help the household chores. So I become also all around. I can clean, I can wash clothes while with the baby. So that was my second contract in Qatar. So maybe my employer see me that I was working hard and I was dedicated to my work. So that time when the baby is 1 year old, they bring me to school. So they let me finish my study. Actually, I was undergraduate of nursing. So that time when the baby was 1 year old, they decided me to finish my nursing school in Qatar. So I was also graduated as a certified nursing assistant in Qatar with the experience of regarding the medical, okay, like a healthcare provider. So overall, I can clean the house, I can be a health care worker also because I am graduate as a certified nursing assistant. That's why I am handling newborn especially. So after that, when I go back to Qatar, I finish my contract. My employer set me free, as they said, we allow you to go to school. So I don't want you to see like this always. So they let me go back to the Philippines, and after that I stay in the Philippines for 1 year again. So after that, I tried to apply in Qatar again. So luckily, still I was hired from the royal family. Like they are the nephew of Sheikh Tamim Al Thani, the president of Qatar. I was their personal caregiver. So I was handling newborn still, and we are five workers in the house. So they are royal family. I was the one who handled again the newborn baby of the princess Sheikh Al Thani. So I was working there as a newborn caregiver for 2 years also. So that's it. My special skills is to take care of the baby, especially the newborn. I can feed, burp, learning the baby to like physical therapies, like that, until onward. So I can also clean, multitask, and that's it. My family background is actually my family is a born again, so I I grew up with a family oriented. So that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.